Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy beef recipe. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality beef and complementary vegetables. Then, I'll walk you through the simple preparation steps, ensuring your beef is perfectly seasoned and ready for cooking. Finally, we'll discuss the best cooking methods to achieve tender, juicy results every time, making this a go-to meal. For this easy beef recipe, you'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef, such as sirloin or chuck, cut into 1-inch cubes. Grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion, and 3 cloves of garlic, both finely chopped. Don't forget 1 cup of rich beef broth and your essential seasonings, salt, black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of your favorite dried herbs like oregano or thyme. These simple ingredients will build a fantastic flavor base. First, heat your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Brown the beef cubes on all sides, working in batches if necessary, then remove them from the pan. Next, add the chopped onion and garlic to the same pan, cooking until softened and fragrant. Pour in the 1 cup of beef broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Return the beef to the skillet, bring to a simmer, and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until tender. Once your beef is wonderfully tender, it's ready to serve. This versatile dish pairs beautifully with a variety of sides. Consider serving it over creamy mashed potatoes to soak up all that delicious sauce, or alongside some crisp, steamed green beans or broccoli for a balanced meal. A sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley adds a lovely touch of color and freshness. Enjoy your incredibly easy and satisfying homemade beef dinner.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.